quick question. Where's your company based?
We're based in Los Angeles area,
And
Pasadena.
How big is the company?
Pardon?
How big? How many people?
5 people.
Okay. And are you guys doing computational super resolution? Is that what you're doing here?
Well, we have a solution which I think is very elegant. We don't rely entirely on computational super resolution. We have a hardware component which is a low-cost commodity dual sensor capture, and a computational component, and they work together. In other words, we don't do this thing which everybody does. They're relying entirely on computation, which has its own.
I see. So it's really the sensor technology that's enabling you
No,
to do it.
the beauty of it is that there's no special sensor. It's commodity off-the-shelf sensors and cheap optics. There's nothing special. Any camera manufacturer can do it.
I see.
But you'd have to install this component in the camera, correct? It's low-cost components, but it looks like you need two
Right.
sensors to take the picture, so you've got the information you need to extrapolate the image.
Right. The two sensors, one is a color sensor, conventional Bay array sensor. The other is a monochrome sensor, which is the same thing but without the color field array. We use this additional information from the second sensor, and it together with our computational component get to that extreme level reliably under a variety of conditions. That's what we're doing.
So the camera sensor would cost about the same as an existing camera sensor in a camera. Now, let's talk about the back end. How does this scale? How many images can the service handle across a particular set of hardware?
Right. I should tell you up front, this technology requires massive computational power. We're one of these users which love powerful GPUs. However, it is trivially parallelizable. You cut the video clip into smaller things and you throw multiple GPUs at it. So we have pricing models where different customers, if it's a prosumer or professional or consumer level, would get results faster or slower depending on the pricing. It's the same as bandwidth. If you're paying for internet connections a little bit, you get a slow upload. If you have a huge fiber line coming to your home, then it's very fast.
Are you guys doing the processing in the cloud, or are you doing it on the device? I can't.
No, not on the device. We need a huge computation
So
power.
it's not real time. It's not something
No.
I can point the camera.
It's not real time. However, imagine it were possible on camera in real time.
Yeah.
How would you deal with 12K video stream? I mean, how would you record it? What kind of bandwidth you need to stream it? And how much
I know
power?
that's your problem, not mine. You know?
That's why.
You go figure that out, right?
And that's why our cameras are cheap, simple, and that's why we call this concept a resolution on demand. That we don't deal with it on camera. We deal with it, but it's a future-proof system. After you want it, you get it.
So you'd need, just so we're clear, you'd need, if you wanted to enable a phone, a mobile device, to do this, you would need a separate attachment, or you'd have to get the OEM manufacturer?
In fact, many smartphones are already coming out with dual aperture cameras. Large Chinese manufacturers, Huawei, LG.
Okay, so you just need a dual aperture camera, and then you can do your magic.
And we're very lucky because some of the major smartphone camera manufacturers are coming out with that right as we speak. And that opens up, first of all, the familiarity of the market with this kind of technology. Nobody's going to feel that it's something.
Can you just comment on what kind of patents you have around this, maybe?
Yes, that's an interesting question. Thank you. Our patent we got in 4 months. We filed in August. We got it in December. And there's several in the pipeline. 29 claims.
And then last, like the workflow, so you take a picture, it loads these 2 pictures up to the cloud, it does the magic, and then delivers the enhanced image.
But again, the beauty, you don't need to deal with your entire video clip. You indicate what you want. If you want a specific moment in time or specific portion of your image, you just only deal with that. You don't need to do the whole thing. And that's what resolution on demand. Otherwise, why waste all this power? And pay for it, too.
Gentlemen, thank you. Yeah, pretty cool.